Welcome to section 5, and in this section we're going to look at creating a CRUD application in React. We've got it set up on our API side of things, so we want to replicate these operations with our user interface in our React application. And let's take a look at the learning goals for this section. Now we're going to take a look first of all at our folder structure. At the moment we've just got a single folder for all of our code, and we're going to look at a way that we can structure our application code so it makes it easy to find what we're looking for and give it some organization. We're also going to look at TypeScript interfaces. We've not really been using TypeScript in our application too much yet, and we're going to implement that, which is going to give us all of the benefits of type safety, IntelliSense, autocomplete, and all of the good stuff that comes with TypeScript. We're also going to further look at semantic UI components to add some styling into our application and lay things out on our page in our user interface. We're also going to take a look at basic forms in React. Now, we discussed the concept of one-way binding before, and we need to take a look at how we can use forms in React. And at this stage, we're not going to add a forms package. We're just going to show how to use React natively to use forms and how we can get the information the user's typing into an input field when we are using one-way binding. We're going to complete the CRUD operations in our React application, and if we take a look at the before and after, then our starting position is what we see on our screen now. We can't do anything, it's just a list of our activity titles. But after we finish this section, we'll actually have something that resembles a user interface, and we'll have a list of our activities with their content, and we've got an option to view the activity, which will display it on the right hand side. We can cancel this and it disappears. If we open this, we can then go and edit this activity. We can make some changes to it, we can submit this, and it updates both the selected activity on the right hand side, and we have to scroll down to see it, but we can see it's also updated the list item as well. What we can also do is cancel this and get rid of it, and we can also create a new activity. In a limited way, not all of the fields are as functional as they could be, especially not the date, but we can see our new activity listed on the right hand side or displayed on the right hand side, and if we scroll down we can see our new activity inside here as well. We've also got delete functionality, so we can go ahead and delete our activities, and this is only taking place locally just now. We haven't hooked this up to our API, but this is the functionality that we'll have in place at the end of this section.